Good morning, everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the light, only lights, both sides. And I buy this color. It's a brand new official store. It's I think something like 6K. White color H11. So first what you must do is take out this first one and the second one. So there's the second one. Next, there is the lamp. You pull it down and take it off. Take it out, and and there is also lamp, and you pull it up and also take it out. So here I have new lamps. It's a white color, not yellow. It looks like that. That looks nice. I think the color also gonna be the nice. Take the switch. Here is the clips, both sides. Press and take out. This is the one. Here's the second one, and that's the same. The clips, both sides. It's very hard to do this with one hand. It's hard to do with one hand. So this clips is stuck. This is good. It's coming out. So now I remove the old lamps. Now I'm gonna install the new ones. The lamp. Yeah, you see, it's the same. So here the same. So take this and this. You must look where is this, and also here is this, and you put like that inside. Yep, it's good. back. This side is back.